how to change your Instagram Explore feed. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change and customize your Instagram Explore feed. If you're seeing posts that don't match your interests or want to reset your Explore feed, this guide is for you, so let's get started. First things first, open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap on the three horizontal lines and simply go to your activity. Or you can also search for your activity and you can go to recent searches. Scroll down a little bit and you'll find an option that says recent searches. Simply tap on clear all. This helps Instagram reset some of the recommendations. Now simply go to the explore tab and you can simply tap on the magnifying glass and search for the things that interest you, and you can actively like, save and comment on posts that genuinely interest you. The more you engage, the more Instagram tailors the feed to your preferences. And if you find the content that is not appropriate to you, like let's say this is the content that we don't want, tap on the three dots and simply click on not interested. You can also choose to see fewer posts like this. And that's it. That's how you can simply change and customize the Instagram Explore feed to see more of